your story. Wait, what's that sound coming from the swimming pool? Okay, let's go. Okay. There's nothing here.
Yan nga yung ginagamit ni Ezekiel.
What is that? Wait. Wait. Baby, my melody. Baby, my melody is right here.
Tatlong bata ka siya dito. Unahin mo na si Ana.
Yung quiet daw, nag-video sila.
Oh, sumigaw.
Elisel, ano, okay lang ba sa'yo yun?
What do we do?
Konting diferensya ka, pwede ka ma-antay. Kunwari,
What do we do?
mag-maipon lang namin, 25.
Baby, my melody.
Okay na yun. Punaman muna.
Baby, my melody.
Balik na lang namin gawa ng
Do
paraan.
not come any closer.
Halimbawa lang yun, worst to worst, worst comes to worst.
17 pa lang yun.
Wait, I think
Oh!
Wait, I have an idea. Take out the flashlight. Take out the flashlight, bro. Wait, I think we need to read how to cure this. Wait, let's see if it equals.
75.
Tayo ka muna, tayo muna.
75 times.
Wait, I think
75 plus 17K, magkano yun?
Wait, I think I know the
75
cure.
plus 17K.
It says here.
Oh, what's the time? Oh, sabihin na natin
It
baking
says
ko nga.
here.
Probis namin baking ko. Okay, 25.
It says here how to cure
Ayun nga.
demonic
Kasi yung
possession.
nasa akong 40, mali mo, mag-send pa yun, patapusan pa ng mail, mga ganun, sa nabigtaan ng mail. Hindi ko masabi. Pero ang chat sa akin, ginagawa niya ng paraan.
Uy, ate, baba ka.
Yung pagkatapos pa ng ano,
They say we need
Oo.
some
Oo. May
medicine
6K po si mama.
and
Kaya lang
some
6K,
water.
gagamitin na natin yung sa ano.
And there's another thing we need to do. Okay. Oh. What is in the?
may 17 lang.
What is in my book? I think it's baby melody. Run! Go back to the base. Go back to the base. Run! Go back to the base. Run! Go back to the base. Run! Balanin. Oh my God. Baby, my melody. Baby, my melody. I have to tell you something. Nadad daw ako. Mag-charge lang ako. Nadad daw ako.
Kasi magpaliwanag.
Baby, my
Hindi,
melody.
magpe-flex pa na sa
Do not. Come closer.
Prince, no?
Baby, my melody. No, baby, my melody. Why did you do that? Baby, my melody. No. Do not come any closer. I have to give you something. I'm gonna give you something. Do not come any closer.
Pero doon sa 20 na
I will give you something. Do not come any closer. I know you love gifts. Do not come any closer. I know you love gifts.
Kung nakaraan,
Okay, I will give you this gift. And you need to drink what's in it, okay?
5,000 papayag ka pala.
Drink what's in it.
Sama-sama din sila.
Siyempre, sama-sama talaga kami dun. Hindi mo pwedeng iiwan.
Okay, baby, my melody.
Paano yung
Do
mag-enroll?
not come in closer.
Siyempre sa ako, wala ko naman hindi ako sumama.
Do not come any closer.
Asama din si lahat kayo
Did you drink it? Wait.
Tama nga rin sila Richel eh.
Here. You finally. I finally did it. I finally cured her.
Bakit daw eh?
Baby, my melody. Baby, my melody is alive.
Day, kasi uwi ka rin ng uwi ng diretso na sa
But, ano yun? But Sister Simaro is dead now. And where is she now? Yeah. Where is Sister Simaro? Oh yeah, I forgot. She's dead. You killed her. Well, I'm not killed her. You got possessed and kill her. What? I'm not kill her. I'm just sitting I'm just
Puro kayo walang narinig.
You forgot you got possessed.
Nag-away ka. Ayun, katay ko muna, nag-away
Where
ka.
is she? Where is she? Wait. Let me look around. Huh? Where is she? Where is she? Wait.
Saan mo pinadaan pa rin, Wai?
Hoy! Halika nga.
Nanalabit ka.
Nag-away na ako.
Sabihin akong code. Sabihin akong code.
May nakikala lang ha.
Sabihin akong code. I'm here in the tree house, one clown. What? It's one clown. Who's that?
Kit lang post nyo dito.
House, one clown. Tree house, one clown? What was that? Oh, I remember what she story before. Oh, I remember what she said about the story before. Sabi mo, doon sa tatlong bahay, tapos sabi mo, pag nawala yung bahay, kung pag nawala, sabi mo, oh, but, I think the clown got her. So, too scared. Wait, let me just see the CCTV of the neighbors. One of them disappeared. Another disappears. Another one? Oh, wait, what is that? Wait, what is that black thing right there? Let's go check it out. No, we're not getting out. No, Mommy. We're not getting out. We're not getting out. No, we're not getting out. We are not safe. No, tapos may sinabi pa daw ako. You are not safe now. Go run away. What? What? No. This can't need to run away. Someone get me. Get her too. Friend ko lang yun. Someone gets me. Get her too. And that house. Do not go in there now, okay? Who the hell is that? Oh my goodness. Who the hell is that? The black guy who entered your house is the clown. You freaking clown! Give my sister back! Give my sister back! Give me my freaking sister back! Give me my freaking sister back! Wait, hindi na namatay nga ako eh. Wait, you killed her?
No.
You freaking clown! I'm gonna get you! No, she's not the clown. I think she's the clown that have a boss and she have a house in the secret base. Another secret base, not the secret base we have. No. What? I can't do this anymore. I'm not doing anything. I can't do anything. I can't do anything now. I can't do this anymore.
Bakit? Ba't mo nilipat?
Oh, my sister
I know the,
said,
ano?
she said,
Galing ka, galing.
tree house, one clown. And where's that tree house here? Where's that tree house there? When we are in the car, We saw tree house here. Oh my god. Let's check the CCTV. No one is in the house. No one is in the.
Gusto mo Roblox?
No one.
Bakit?
Oh, what's this? Oh. I'm naked.
Sir, ba't ka na gano'n? Tung, sahur. Huwag na, ayaw mo. Bombardiro, krokodilo. Andun na sa bag. Kaya.
What do I do? What do I do? Say goodbye.
Pung.
Wait. Wait lang na.
Ano mo lang doon?
Wait lang. Wait lang ka na. Agaw ng paa mo. What do I do? Tarichelo, si Kuya Prince nagpapaamoy ng paa.
Ano?
Wait lang, Hana. Who's that black guy who has a gun on him? That, I'm gonna follow her. Where's it, the black? Oh. Say goodbye.
Sir.
Say goodbye.
Salong si mo.
Run! I keep missing. Part 4. Wait lang.